Hi, welcome back or welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Laura. Hi, hello, welcome. We are here at a different angle yet again because we are doing a build your own palette for like the next couple weeks in September. This is actually September 3rd and this palette will last me probably up until like for 2 or 3 weeks until I decide I want to switch things up. I'm going to actually be increasing the palette size from this 9 pan to the 12 pan when I film my Pan Those eyeshadows so I can put all of my Pan Those eyeshadow shades in this. But for the time being, we'll just use it in this guy here, and then I'll probably show you a clip of it once it's moved to the larger palette. This is the color story we were working with over the past couple weeks. I had a lot of fun filming the 5 looks 1 single using my Clionadh Cosmetics Gilding shade there. And I'm excited to do the same thing by selecting another one of my new Clionadh singles out of this guy here. I used most of these shades. I still haven't reached for like these 2. Well, and the yellow. I wasn't feeling these. I don't know if I'm just burnt out on those or if I'm just really gravitating towards neutrals right now. I don't know. So I'm going to put these back. I'm going to like wipe my palette down. I'm going to tidy my desk up a bit. Then I'm going to be right back with my Clionadh shades. So I'm really excited. I'm excited because I've narrowed down my Clionadh picks for the next couple weeks that I want to get some use on, like experiment with, see how I like them. A couple different shades. These are probably all the glitter multichromes. I have this like bluey, kind of purpley bluey shade here. This is Etched. This guy here is Torch. It's like a red to like burnt. And then this is Carving, a blue brown. I'm gonna just filter them in here. I'm excited. Like even just this looks so pretty and I'm really excited to get some use out of this. Now we get to pick out of everything in my storage palette, which there's a lot. There's a lot in here. I'm actually going to grab my No Pan Left Behind list. Let me just mull over my options. And that's pretty neutral, and I can use this with anything. And it's a nice warmer toned kind of lid shade, like transition kind of shade. So I think that this will actually go really well for this time of year. That one actually would probably be good. It's like a little too similar. Like similar but different. I'm going to pull this guy. It's just a ColourPop shade. It's a little cooler toned. Might go a little bit better with these like cool tone, like Carving and Etched. Very similar mattes, I know. But I need to use this shade, which actually would go really well with that shade. Pull it in as an option. Showing that I need to use this one still. Oh, that could be really pretty with this. Yeah, okay. I feel like I should probably just pull mattes, not shimmers though. I am going to move them into this palette in this video because I'm realizing now that yes, I'm restructuring my Pan Those eyeshadows, but I'm kind of grandfathering it in so I can actually pull out the shades that I need to pull out from my Pan Those eyeshadows already and fit them in. Oh, I like this so much. This is so cute. I have a couple more slots to fill in. I'm really excited. This actually, like, even like kind of the misshapenness of the pans being like not all the same size, not all the same shape. This is inspiring me for some reason. I'm thinking mattes. I'm thinking more matte shades because that's really what I need to pull in. Everything in here is eligible, but I don't need like anything in here. Okay, I think that's it. This is my very basic, this is like very neutral with a couple pops of color kind of color palette for the month of September. It's giving me very like New Mexico inspired with some of these like more southwestern kind of shades, like a terracotta, that nice teal. But this is the BYOP that we're going to be working with for the month of September, or at least like 2 to 3 weeks within the month of September. There are shades in here that I haven't used yet this year. There are a couple shades from palettes in my Pan Those eyeshadows and my Cliona singles that are new to me, and I'm so excited to use and try these different shades out. All right, and this is my color story swatched out for the next few weeks. I know I said very southwestern, but now it's giving me, after seeing it swatched, it's giving me Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde. Like a very condensed, bite-sized version full of mostly indie shadows and special things. So this is going to be the color story I am working on for the next few weeks. I will have already voted on the shades on Instagram, so make sure you're following me on Instagram because I am going to be voting to have you guys select what shade out of this to film my 5 looks 1 single with. I think I'm going to either do my Cliona singles, the Glaminatrix, or this Pretties for Your Face. So I'm going to have a poll. Maybe I'll like even throw a curveball and just do like the matte purple kind of thing. Like, who knows? You'll have to make sure you're following me on Instagram so you never miss out on the voting for those kind of videos or anything like that in the future. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you are staying healthy, sane, and safe, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye!